Water, the basis of life on Earth. A person can live without food for more than a month. Without water, he won't survive more than a week. But to drink it today, you must first purify it. Have any of us here heard about this matter? Triflutylavy methyl ether. But the second issue, one of the major environmental challenges of our time. This is Bush Sr. It was with him that they began adding MTBE in gasoline sold in America. It allows gasoline to burn better. But the ether itself passed through the soil and dissolved in the water. The toxicity was great. The Americans hadn't taken that into account. The ether passed from the soil water into the rivers and lakes, and that is close to the faucets in residential apartments. They thought they were doing well. Unfortunately, this ether was a strong poison and is not susceptible to treatment in conventional wastewater treatment plants. America sounded the alarm. The ether inexorably spread quickly. The people were evacuated from cities, fleeing from the contagion of poisoned water. A dose of MTBE that is more than 20 milligrams per liter is considered lethal. Experiments in rats showed that it could cause cancer of the kidneys. Entire institutions struggled with this problem. The U.S. Congress has allocated for the study several $billions, while the ether has continued to infect America. And only recently, the Americans learned that in Russia there is a scientist who can help them. In November 2003, American scientists with samples of contaminated water came to consult with Victor Petrik. The Americans asked to at least reduce the ether content in the water, but Victor always strives for the maximum. How do I solve this problem? How to even begin to take up this struggle for a solution? What if we apply the principle of inversion? It is popularly expressed in the saying, if the mountain does not come to Muhammad, then Muhammad goes to the mountain. If you cannot clear the water from the ether, you can try and clean the ether from the water. In exactly 4 months, Victor Petrik reported that the problem was solved. In Russia, Tom Leahy, director of the Analytical Center of the Government of the United States, came immediately. In Russia, an experimental installation was waiting for him.
What will happen is the MTBE.
Now, the MTBE contaminated water will pass through the system, which will be processed by the technology of Professor Victor Petrik. This water is purified. The result of careful analysis, the conclusion of the American National Laboratory Sierra was that traces of MTBE in the water were not found.
We hope that the cooperation with
Professor Victor Petrik will bring enormous benefits to our country, to both the economy and the environment. What is particularly valuable is that Mr. Victor Petrik doesn't process and transform the already known principles, but invents entirely new ones. The innovation and invention of Professor Victor Petrik, it is indeed an achievement of the 21st century. As a token of sincere gratitude, the Bush family has invited Victor Petrik and his family to the celebration of the birthday of George Bush Sr.